Yes, I want a big love and respect to each and everyone out there. Happy New Year 2025. You made it. Respect. Yeah, man, me it's a Freedom Street, they lit. Let's go into the highlights. Yeah, man. So right now, these are the highlights. So I get ready for go now and talk about a couple of the things that happened. The New Orleans incident. You see me, a couple people, 10 people dead or more injured. Whole heap of things happening in New Year's, right? Right in the New Year's, people celebrating, bringing in New Year's, and some of them did not make it. 10 dead in a New Orleans right now. Let's get into this news, but first we're going to show the Freedom Street highlight them. Because people don't know and can go to the news, go see what I'm going already. Since I will save that for a little bit later in the video. Anyway, we're going to highlight Freedom Street right now. Big love and respect to everybody out there. Remember, if you like the video, please leave your feedback and also subscribe, hit the notification bell. Please support the channel as we're a growing channel right now. You know me, I say one love and big up to everybody who wants it. Progress 2025, we wish the best for everybody. Let's go. No schooling.
Long time now. You see all of the people that want to hold the faith. I know that God is great. Say God is great. God is great. Happy New Life. Them try to take your life and God give you brand new one. Brand new one. Brand new year. Brand new life. Brand new success. You are phenomenal. Yes, sir. I remember when Ron Butler brought it.
Scatta Go Suk youth. Whenever Kartel to me on the yard. When I could only have chronic now out and do it for 3 hours. I want to could not hold down the native them. Don't do that to you. 3 hours no brought up front. It's a lifestyle moment regardless. Big up the world boss. The girl is the one that say, warrior. Yeah. Anyway, they kill it, and hot girl wants to get it in hot. There's some boy. The girl is the one that bust up. So the area, so that she and there. No, anybody not be there. Oh, my God, I am real. Come on, pretty girl. The girl is the one and so. Boys, vamos a cambiar. Pull up. The same time as native. What one there? What father? I did it for you. Blue Pound.
You know the thing, man, make up yourself, Carter. One bomb buckler away and spread it, you know what I mean?
Girl on fire. Yeah. Little son, you son, girl, I get fire. Oh, you gotta say.
I wanna fuck you. I can make a freebie. We need to get to work, we need to get to winter. Don't do it, I'm scared. So put it on the bed. Punish for you wear. Do your body and your best. And your body is a baby now. Just fair funny. For foundation again. If they never act your head. Everywhere the other side line. It's a valley and a left side. Pretty little. So me love the gold pussy, girl, them a country, me a go bust it in your company. When you not go book, I'm back and mama tell me, say, they got that damn shit. So moving on the bed, promise when you there. Do your body on the bed, and your body never made it. Stand full, but you go be the one. Fuck a nation a girl, but if they never had your head, no. Pussy still brand new. Longer than a bone, hard to think of your pretty little something where you own. But they think that your body wicked in on them. She can't say you can't come you by your way. Why now? Why now? And the night, early morning, I hear them full of matter. What a pussy fatter, it a get fatter. She get in a spirit and she a shot at a shot. Turn it up, what she say? What you know? What you know? Oh, the police them must say you back. See you right. And some big ball them get liquid. And what teacher? This bad man you get gunshot. See? The gunshot. Gunshot. Dash. Dash.
You know your body, right?
So then say.
The general. You see before that song you play. People.
Yeah.
Listen me. For real and true, can be frank. When me say dance hall lock up a jail, them vex. Saying, a white king of dance hall. A white king of dance hall. See my song here? Just listen.
How sang this?
Surprise you.
Yeah. Yeah. Stay there. Sing. Most girl love me so. Run it back. Yeah. National Stadium, we are live. And at 2025, 5, and we are live. Most girl love me so. Them kiss, them hug me so. Them say, but I don't know if some say so. Chew me out like Mexico. When we pull up in the Tiger Man at the Texaco, where she said, watch out, oh she a work all this on the Pepsi so. We know. Why you love me go pelpa so? Nothing, you not touch man pants.
No.
But 19 man are 20 so. With them two and empty so. See bad man and I take me so. When me go bus. Slingers, what y'all say? What y'all say?
What them say? What them say?
What y'all say?
What she say? What she say?
Anyway, I did it. See them there. What y'all say?
What them say?
What me I say?
What me say?
What y'all say?
What them a say now?
Hold up. People, may I tell you something? May I give my son them peace side? Because I remember enough artists who bust over the years. I'm in prison. Enough people who could have tried with my son, them never try with them. But me there, I road now. Want to give them a listen here. Yeah, man, I call them up. Little Vybz. Little Laddie.
Yo. Yeah.
Where are you guys? Cheers, my General Buster. What you mean? Spliff Star.
Yo, yeah, me I send a freedom street.
Yo, freedom street.
You got the whole of them mother them in a place. You know what I think of? I love my mother so.
Kiss me while I go. You're my hero. We there for Vybz Kartel. We not there for Uno. Pussy. Play a rhythm. How do we expel, man? We not no bum buckler sense. You know. All our respect our boss in our blood class stadium. Let me see some signal. Jump. Who can this my dog? Make talk out your glove. Foreign
Yo, I know say it's easy for some man make certain utterance and get away with it. And me as an individual, you normally pay them things in my mind. A man can tell me suck my mother a million times. I'm overlook it. Because he's a man slow to react. See? However, on this occasion, I and my mother in the hospital. I've been in the hospital for a while. And a man now go take it up on him head. He come tell me to suck my mother in a public space with thousands of people and expect say it will just get thrown under the rug because me is a promoter and me have a lot more fellows than them. Enough time artists go up on stage and diss up the promoter and diss up certain people because they know say the promoter have to keep the peace because I feed them event and them have everything for lose. And I was faced with that situation first night. Big Freedom Street concert, Kartel's return. You see me? And when I see that individual make that statement loud and proud, it put me in a dilemma right there, so.
Look. Let me go to my bunty Killa vice. Some boy don't like this like I don't know. I real vice, man. Blood clear, where am I? You! Good morning! Happy New Year! Hold on, is it? This one I'm not taking it on. Jamaican! That's a nation! Alliance put on the yacht. Come to us for that blood cloud. Tell them no one else you know. Put them in the you! Before me figure, don't tell me not to that. My name is nasty girl, we not. Run up some nasty girl. When I'm going to put me mercy, can't you not? But I don't know for that, but we gotta do that. No man, nothing but that, but nothing treat. Why not? Tell all of me them. General, I don't remember the son of us. That's a shit. We come down now. Bang. Head down, no like wow. I full time now, so I'm golden go. And Miss Kitty, yes, sir, we come down. Come down now. So much begging like who not blind man. Dead in a long time, but him had gone from very life, and I make one lion. Hungry. Maybe not getting for a while.
You see that man here? Mr. Adija Palmer.
Yes.
Every blessing, when I get you up music, I ain't planned that to me. Because he believes in it when nobody never believes. And when he tell me, level. When them money tell me, say, Papi, I'm going to run the place, you know. One time I want to have a gas dog or a gas light. But me never forget. That's why anyone who going around me say free Vybz Kartel until it's free to them. All who glad to see the world was free to them. She will put on them and put on the like them. Yeah.
Remember me say believe in yourself, girls are drugs. Take on the money, build a house. You see me I say ambition I key. But that's why we so done some force. I remember we say we have forgot it. Go for that. You see me I say.
Show them still that to let me in. You hear that? Jamaica, tap tanana, tap tanana, tap tanana, tap. All who know say love Jamaica, we have known them over here so. What's up? Real talk never feed them, we don't plan. Where we come from? Real talk never. Cause we destiny don't plan. Sometimes we not believe like the other say a judgment road. And next year, tell me. Over your
I'm a cleaner teacher. I'm a big artist right now. From the school a teacher. You know around the whole street I dog send some books on Powder Road. I'm a come down big artist, I'm there for freedom of speech. Run it now. Alright. Country. Bombshell. Huh? Give him a pull up.
Hold on! Bust me good without license. Like Tyson. Pocket rifle. Pull up. People, me not gonna lie now. Cause my life is a walking book, you know. When I hear me, boy, I not remember the song they are 4-6. Yeah! Come down now, man. So much begging like una blind man. Jail then a long time, batty man. Gone pan very life and a big man liar. Hungry, and maybe not tell you for a while. Give me it one more time. Hold up. That's it. Shut up. Shut up. You should not play business, you know. Everything I go on nice. The tall boy. The puppy. Listen to them.
Yo!
Oh, what make this a man come out in a one dopey outfit? What on a Halloween, bro? A thriller thing, the man. Wait a while, go on. How so you feel inside? Yeah, man, it looked like it was a full enjoyment, you know what I say? And you would have 500 that would me have to spend for going, it's still not for my pocket, you know what I say? Big up everybody out there, you know what I say? Who full joy themselves. It look like Elephant Man find a alien though. Moving on.
Come here now. Yeah. With the alien and hurry my have a show now. See me, come. After the alien now. Ellie, don't touch him! Don't touch him!
No people hold them there for them back.
You don't see him claw them. Ellie, watch him claw them. Ellie, move! Ellie, I'm crab off for you now.
Turn him at the wrong elephant man.
He needed space.
Remember, he's walking. Tourist looking at it. Look at this.
Wow.
You know, I first see one in a real life. I know it's Yo, come here now. Yes, so what just happened? They have to come do a show and they are alien. You know, so yo, I'm going on a little trip and show them the alien ready.
Are plowed into a crowd of people celebrating the new year. Police say it all happened just before 3:30 Central Time this morning. Witnesses told investigators someone drove into the crowd at a high rate of speed, then got out and started shooting. Witnesses at the scene say officers fired back at the driver. Investigators are still working to figure out who did this and what led up to this deadly shooting. According to police, at least 10 people are dead and more than 24 injured after a car.
10 people have been killed after a vehicle plowed into crowds of people celebrating the New Year in New Orleans. It's understood 30 people have been injured in the incident, which took place on the corner of the popular Bourbon Street in the French Quarter of the city. It's popular with tourists. It happened at around 3 a.m. local time, and we will bring you more on this story as we get it.
Here's an update to breaking news happening in New Orleans right now. Really a tragedy unfolding, a car plowing into a crowd of people, 10 people losing their lives, dozens of people injured. Apparently the suspect in that vehicle at some point fired on police officers. A couple of officers were hit. They were also taken to the hospital. We just heard from FBI New Orleans, who said this is not a terrorist event. We also heard from Police officials in New Orleans basically saying they're going through the demographics of the victims. They believe right now that many of the victims were locals. Now, I will continue to follow this story and bring you any updates on Angela Gets Answered.
So from what we know at this point, about 3 or 4 hours ago, there was reportedly this vehicle, what has been described as a truck of some kind, that plowed through a crowd of people in New Orleans in the French Quarter District. As you were mentioning, this is a big area where there are bars, there are nightclubs, there are people milling about. This was New Year's Eve, or on the back end of New Year's Eve, early New Year's Day as this was happening. There are still some questions around all of this. Exactly why did this happen? What was the potential motive, if there was a motive to begin with? We are also hearing from some of our CBS reporters who are on the ground there that there was reportedly an exchange of gunfire between someone in that vehicle and law enforcement who were outside of the vehicle. We're hearing 30 injuries with this, 10 fatalities. At least those numbers could change over time as we get more information from law enforcement, but that part right there is still incredibly shocking.
He was hell-bent on creating the carnage and the damage that he did. We had this event started at about 3:15. It did involve a man driving a pickup truck down Bourbon Street at a very fast pace, and it was very intentional behavior. This man was trying to run over as many people as he possibly could. It was not a DUI situation. This is a more complex and more serious based on the information we have right now.
Well, I just recently I tell people say US people are mad too, and then a ramp when they commit crime and kill people. 10 people a man kill one time within car, you know. Over 30 people injured in a people. So I tell them to stop talking about Jamaica. Oh, Jamaica, no, Lord. Jamaica is over. Jamaica lost. Jamaica this. Jamaica. Bro, things are happening everywhere. I am just documenting what's going on in Jamaica and Spanish Town, Kingston, and wherever I'm there in the vicinity where I'm there. Saying, some don't want to, like me say, people, comment and leave your feedback, but do not be a hypocrite. Saying, see the US there, mad out, shoot up school, you know, crash and kill 10 people one time. Tell me who are the man enemy out there. Not one enemy, it's a mad blood clot man. I be a mad people there USA, that me telling. Anyway, moving on. You see them build up Holy House at Jamaica. So them I say, Andrew, let's say I have 100 brand new house for poor people and for moving on. Me don't know how I go. Me hear what them I say still. Because they love chatting on.
Some 110 houses have so far been built and delivered to Jamaicans across the country under the government's new social housing program. The most recent recipient of those homes were 6 individuals from the parishes of Clarendon and St. Catherine. In speaking at the handing over ceremony on November 10th in Clarendon, Prime Minister of Jamaica Andrew Holness said the program is being accelerated to meet the needs of vulnerable Jamaicans. Mr. Holness also said, and I quote, "The government is allocating resources in our budget to improve the living conditions of our most vulnerable across the country and creating equity in our housing market so that even the poorest of the poor can benefit." End of quote. A video obtained by our news team shows a recipient expressing gratitude for her new home that she said she'll be sharing with her mother.
My name is Jordy Mason, and this is my mother, Joan Douglas, the recipient of this beautiful home provided by the government of Jamaica. Words can't really explain how grateful and thankful we are for this beautiful house. I mean, compared to where we're coming from, this is like a dream come true, especially for my mother. And then my mother got sick. It wasn't good for her. It wasn't sanitary at all. So we're just very thankful. We're grateful. I'm beyond happy, especially me, because, I mean, the burden was on me mostly, you know, to have this fixed for her. So a million thank you to the Prime Minister, the government of Jamaica.
The program has been a success and will be mimicked, it seems, in Tobago. Officials from that island nation's housing program are in dialogue with Jamaica now with a view to adopting the program. The NSHP was established in 2018 by Prime Minister Holness and Minister of Economic Growth and Job Creation to improve the housing condition of the country's poor and disadvantaged population by providing quality, affordable, and sustainable living.
Yo, if that is all true what them I say, I love and respect that. But me just have to ask, now you see them 100 house them there when Mr. Beast come build the other day? The paper house them when they come put up fast and quick. Now one of them, not 100 house, then say Mr. Beast build the other day, not 100 house, then just say Andrew Gilway. It couldn't be 104, 110, or 100. I mean, me just say people, it seem like the same house them when Mr. Beast build. sometime early in 2024, where they say them a give away now, and not say Mr. Wholeness I give away house. Me don't know if me don't know. Just let me know the feedback if I separate thing or if I see him house them with Mr. Beast build it. Me don't know, it just look funny to me, you know. Me not trust them people, you know, so I don't have to help me trust them, you know. Anyhow, me just want to say this. Blam them take over the hop as far as Jamaica, right? And Mrs. Swisley I wear a chicken suit and tights. Forget likes. Me I said, Jano, brother, I said the money I go hard for your TikTok blood class support, bro. The man have on a full chicken suit, bro. Me can't believe this. The man turning a best dressed chicken to blow out. Just for the hype. I saw the new tire roll. Yeah, more time I see them I have to laugh like, bro. I said the man I'm go hard for the thing, bro. Jano. Man I put on chicken suit and blam them now and no suit, not even showing face. And I kill them on the TikTok. Me have to wonder like, boy blam them, I don't know how he do it. He great. You have to great if you can do that with no face. Now show no face and I kill them on the hop. Pan the hop. Bro, me not tap laugh more time. You know me I say me a Jamaican and I grew up a Spanish town, so more time I see them thing are hilarious to me. You know? I just laugh more time with Jamaican people make me laugh people. Me I tell you no. Jamaican people entertaining, bro. Even if it's sometimes they ignorant more time, me still laugh after I entertain. Because them not easy, you know. You think they easy? I lie me I tell people.
You not go mind the youth. Eh?
Big up yourself,
You not go mind the youth.
Big up
You not
yourself,
go mind the
man.
youth.
Yeah, man.
You go mind the youth, man.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Go mind the
From
youth,
them,
man.
we not play the match,
Go
bro.
mind the youth. Go mind the youth. Go
Yeah.
mind the youth. Go mind the son of a golf, dirty boy. Me don't like more hold him. Yeah, man, me hold him dirty blood clad. Me catch him. Go mind the youth, dirty boy. Me hold him blood clad. No long more hold him. Me open the hold him. Me hold him dirty blood clad. Me hold him. Somebody catch him over there. When I dance up in a suit. And me are in the place, little boy. Go mind the youth, little boy. You run. You not stand there with me. Go mind the youth, dirty boy. Go mind the youth, dirty drunk. You know what mind the youth. People look come over last drop that me give you no, because you not give me nothing. People, everybody want to analyze me. Sicily send man to come warn me. That's why I not have trouble him. Because I assure him say, he man and a body, he man his friend them when I send to come call me. Look come more people.
People will never stop and think and wonder if maybe some of the people them round and I say some righteous thing on the need for listen more. Maybe we need to pay attention and stop drink so much rum and yam, so much KFC chicken. Because some of them all the chicken butter and you can chat, fuck when you can chat. I mean I talk about just not one man or two. I mean I talk about the whole, me I talk about the whole people. Me I talk in a, what they call it, on a general statement right now. People. Me never say so much people can chat people business so and man I go on like woman. Maybe I chicken bro. Cause me see the man them turning a bitch bro. Real talk, me see some man a chat man like girl bro. I can't believe it. 2024, 25 now. All through 24 man a go on like woman. Enough by man them. Clothes of them are wear them are go on their attitude. Man them a turning a bitch bro. Estrogen, I pay estrogen in food. When you're careful, maybe the queen know what she talk about. Maybe the empress, maybe that woman know what she say. When if you listen sometime and pay attention. Because right now that chicken I must probably the same chicken when then clone Tyrone. Remember that movie there? No if I watch the movie, they clone Tyrone. Them did that eat the chicken have a whole of them laugh and a laugh and things like everything sweet. Until the chicken wear out, then kill off one another, be a gunshot fire. When then I say what I go on a programming thing, maybe as an experimental chicken you not eat, you have to watch out people.
Jamaican people, I'm begging you, stop eat KFC. Stop eat KFC. Stop drink rum. It is alleged for right now that Bill Gates have shares in D&G. It is alleged. Seeing, I want the item to understand that they are using you guys as experiment. Nobody love you so much to get up every day and fry all of these chicken, you know. You notice one of the youth when named Lulu we come with Swisley them at the party where him say them go to the river and him couldn't understand everybody was eating chicken. What this gonna make them do, no Jamaican people? Them use food and change on the DNA. Them use food and drinks and trick on you. And now you don't know yourself no more. You don't know yourself no more. Because them have no where them want to know.
Yo, I'm telling you something crazy people. Is the Frank Queen Africa make that out there about KFC? Some people totally write her off, bro. Like, some people love KFC chicken so much that just for hear her say that, then write her off and call her Maduman and say, Maduman that KFC too sweet. You come tell people that.
Them people will murder you for little KFC G-Terra.
See how them people are fool? If coke in a chicken or crack or anything in a chicken, they don't name it till then dead. Kawa. They're not willing to even take no advice from nobody. But me have one little secret. What me never tell people out there, you know. Say enough of now go and like say everything is mashed up in Jamaica. But the truth is that when I biggest thief over there in the US, bro. You know the Jamaican them were thief $1 million worth of things from Lululemon? Watch this white woman here. Over $40 million worth of things. This a woman a thief. I mean, she me not even know how much she thief. I mean, know say she a big time scammer. Chopping. Please help me. She not chop small, bro. Listen,
simple $10 sweatshirt. You put the Chanel brand on it. It sells for $5,300.
Well, a massive bust on Long Island involving millions of dollars worth of counterfeit items. Officials recovered more than $40 million worth of merchandise and charged a woman from Smithtown after nearly 18 months of investigating.
Police say undercover buys led to the arrest of this woman, Lindsay Costelli Bullock of Smithtown. She allegedly ran the store, where authorities retrieved at least 22 of these heat-sealing machines for all sorts of counterfeit labels and thousands of soon-to-be fake items for sale. The total in real designer value, eye-popping, more than $40 million.
Because they invest a lot of money, they pay taxes.
So for those looking to shop here at Linny's today, no such luck. And prior customers disgusted. Costelli Bullock facing multiple counts of trademark counterfeiting, a Class E felony, for which she could face up to 3 years in prison.
And there you have it, people. Scammers and choppers are everywhere, especially all over America. Matter of fact, white collar crime are going long before you hear about island people are doing scamming. Anyway, when you don't know anything going on, we just tell the truth like it is. You see me? We're not shy. Please hit the like button, leave your feedback, subscribe right now with the notification bell, and stay tuned for more Reasoning with G Terror. No schooling outside.
Nice.